Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks. Today we're taking a look at some buy ratings that just came in from some 5-star analysts. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at the daily stock ratings page to see some recent buy ratings from 5-star rated analysts. We're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. Of course, don't forget to head over to TipRanks.com and check out our newsletter center as well. There you can find both the Smart Investor and Dividend Investor newsletter, which will send unique investing insights to your inbox every single week. Links will be down in the description below. Now, like I said, today we found these stocks taking a look at the daily stock rating page. From the TipRanks website, this is found under Research Tools, and here you'll see all of the latest ratings from over 8,000 Wall Street analysts, both the buys and the sells. Down below, we can sort our list further, so we want to look at just 5-star rated analysts that are coming out with a buy. And we have 3 different buy ratings that we're looking at today. One was initiated, one was upgraded, and one was reiterated. Starting off with the reiterated buy rating, we're taking a look at CACI International. Their stock trades under the ticker CACI and is currently priced at $322 per share. This stock has seen growth of 13.5% over the past year, cooling off a few percent in these last 3 months. CACI operates in the world of intelligence and defense. They deliver differentiated expertise and technology to U.S. government customers in support of critical national security missions and government modernization. They deliver information dominance in both cyber and space, digital solutions, engineering services, enterprise IT, and mission support. They shared their latest quarterly earnings report back on August 9th, where they did come out with a notable earnings beat. For their fourth quarter, they reported earnings per share of $5.30, coming in 40 cents ahead of analyst expectations. They reported annual revenues of $6.7 billion, which was up 8% year over year, and revenues in their fourth quarter increased 4% year over year. In the fourth quarter, they were also awarded contracts totaling $2.3 billion, with nearly 70% of new business for CACI. Following that quarterly report, we did have a handful of analysts reiterating their price targets, but the most recent came just yesterday from a 5-star analyst at Wells Fargo. Overall, the CACI stock is rated a moderate buy with 8 buys and 3 holds and an average price target of $375, which would be an upside potential of 16.5% from current prices. Down below, we can see that buy rating coming in yesterday from Matthew Akers at Wells Fargo with a price target of $361 or upside of 12.4%. On the low end, we have a hold rating with an upside of over 8% and a high-end price target with an upside of 24.5%. Our second stock that just picked up a buy rating is Tenable Holdings. Their stock trades under the ticker TENB, currently priced at $47 per share. In the past year, they have seen growth of nearly 22%, though they did take a drop off here near the end of April. They have been slowly climbing their way back since. Tenable Holdings develops security software solutions. They offer cyber exposure, which is a discipline for managing and measuring cybersecurity risk in the digital era. The firm delivers solutions in the field of application security, cloud security, compliance, energy, finance, healthcare, and retail. They reported their latest quarterly report near the end of July on the 25th, and they also had an earnings beat. For their Q2, they reported earnings per share of 22 cents, well ahead of the 13 cents anticipated. And you can see here and in the graph that those earnings have been climbing pretty steadily. On the revenue side, they reported $195 million, which was up 19% year over year, and also added 426 new enterprise platform customers and 63 net new 6-figure customers. Now, their stock has attracted the attention of 16 current analyst ratings and does come in as a strong buy. But notably, just yesterday, we did have a new rating just initiated from TD Cowen with a top analyst. He is in the top 10 of all analysts on Wall Street. With 14 buys and 2 holds, the Tenable Holdings stock has an average price target just shy of $55 per share, which would be an upside of 16%. Down below, we can see that initiated rating coming in just yesterday from TD Cowen with a price target of $55 and an upside of over 17%. Now, we do have a low-end price target here, a hold from a couple months ago with an upside of 2%, and some more recent high-end ratings up above 34%. And our third stock just had a rating upgraded to a buy, and that is Albany International. Their stock trades under the ticker AIN and is currently priced just above $90 per share. Now, they did have some big growth here, but have cooled off at the start of the year, going sideways a lot lately and actually dropping a bit here in recent weeks. Albany International works in textiles and materials processing. They are a leading developer and manufacturer of engineered components using advanced materials processing and automation capabilities. They have two core businesses. Machine Clothing is the world's leading producer of custom-designed consumable fabrics and process belts essential for the manufacture of all grades of paper products. And their Albany Engineered Composites is a growing designer and manufacturer of advanced materials-based engineering components for demanding aerospace applications, supporting both commercial and military platforms. Their stock has been cooling off a bit after they had a slight miss on earnings near the end of July. For their second quarter, they reported earnings per share of 90 cents, which just fell short by 2 cents from analyst expectations. Revenue came in at $274.1 million, which grew nearly 5% year over year. Now, their stock does only have 4 current analyst ratings, but comes in as a strong buy after one analyst upgraded their rating to a buy yesterday. The average price for the stock comes in at $109, which would be an upside potential of 20%. Down below here, we can see that upgraded buy rating coming in from TD Cowen with a price target of 106, which would be an upside potential of nearly 17%. We do have a low end here from Bank of America, but it's the same price target as Truist, just between the buy and a hold, and one from a couple months ago with an upside of 32%. So there is a quick look at a few stocks that have been picking up some buy ratings from 5-star analysts this week. Let me know your thoughts on these companies in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just keeping you up to date with what those Wall Street analysts are up to and providing some insight and information. Please make sure you always do your own research and due diligence and stick to your own investing plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.